What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to a very important turbo update. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so first things first, I want to start off with a very important Bitcoin update. So as you guys probably know, in my last couple of videos, I've had Bitcoin drawn on a little bit of a bull flag, and I said I would be looking for us to potentially come down and get a bounce off of the 21-day. Now, at the current moment, if you look at this candle, we broke right through the 21-day. So we'll have to see how this candle actually closes, but right now this is not a great look. In addition, we were in a rising wedge, and we clearly have broken the rising wedge trend line. So right now, from a technical analysis standpoint, I wouldn't be surprised at all if we come down and we touch the 200-day moving average. We haven't touched the 200-day since October 14th, and usually the 200-day does work as a magnet. You can see how many times we came up and touched it previously. We bounced up, we got rejected, bounced up, got rejected, bounced up, got rejected, and then we finally broke through the 200-day. So what I'd be looking for is for price action to come down, touch the 200-day, and potentially get a bounce from here. That could be a very good support level. Now, it's also possible that we bounce off of this previous traffic at about 66,900. And the reason I think we could get a bounce right here is because we already have a Class A bullish divergence. Price action is swinging up, the RSI is swinging down, and usually bullish divergence does signal a local bottom. However, I also want to be clear that price action is going to be extremely volatile because the election is right around the corner. And I don't like to bring you guys bad news, but I have to point out the bigger picture. So as a lot of you guys know, in all of my previous videos, I was talking about how Bitcoin got a breakout and we are clearly above the macro trend line. Well, at the current moment, Bitcoin has gotten absolutely hammered and we are almost back inside of the pattern. You can see this massive wick to the upside. That is not what you want to see at all. That shows a lack of buying pressure. So ideally on the daily, we would like to see Bitcoin get a bounce so we don't close this poorly on the 10-day. If that happens, then honestly, we could range for a long time. So it's not like it'd be the worst thing in the world, but it'd just give you guys a lot more time to accumulate. Now, if you look at the meme coin market, for the most part, everything is still just following Bitcoin. Bitcoin's bleeding, so we see red everywhere. If you scroll down, you can see that Turbo is currently the 210th largest crypto, and it's down 15% in the last week. And if you look at the Turbo volume, you can see most of it is still coming from Binance, Bitget, and Gate.io. But right now, I'm not going to lie, there are a lot of people who are panicking about Turbo. But if you look at the daily time frame, personally, I'm still not worried. A lot of you guys are freaking out, but to me, we're still basically in this giant bull flag. Now, yes, we did drop a little bit lower than I wanted to drop. I didn't ideally want to lose the previous all-time high. However, there's no reason that we can't get a bounce off of this previous local high. We're still at a very strong support level. And as a lot of you guys probably know, Turbo is an extremely bullish meme coin. I'm going to say this right now. If you guys let your conviction get shaken just because of a little pullback, then you should not be in meme coins. Because meme coins are some of the most volatile assets on the planet. This kind of stuff happens all the time. And if you guys truly have conviction in Turbo, then you should be buying the dips. Obviously, that's not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. But red days in the market are where the money is made. And if we look at the Turbo X account right now, nothing has changed. They're still posting on here every single day and they still get great engagement. Again, I can't be any clearer. A big reason that Turbo is dropping is because Bitcoin is dropping. You just can't expect this project to be performing well when Bitcoin has a massive red candle. So I'm going to say it yet again. If this is a project that you guys believe in long term, then you should heavily consider buying the dip on days like this. Now again, nothing is guaranteed. Turbo could go to zero tomorrow, but I think all of you guys who are watching this video understand how much potential this project actually has. And honestly, what's awesome about this is, as you can see, Turbo's at a $480 million market cap. This means that just to get back to all-time highs, you guys are going to 2x your money. You invest $10,000 into this project, you turn $10,000 into $20,000. So there is a lot of potential in this market right now. But anyways, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early, then I recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, but we have been making huge gains in here. For example, the most recent huge call was Speedy, which I posted at a $178,000 market cap, and Speedy ran up to over 43 million. That is over a 200x. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment could have turned into over $200,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. I'll even show you one of the gains that my community member made. He bought $199 worth and he turned it into over $19,000. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building an excellent community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Turbo will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.